What's going on, guys? I just bought a Naruto booster pack box from Crook Cards, and it's from Broken Promise. So let's open this up. So these are 15 blister, well, should be 2 boxes of 15 blister packs. Oof. What does this bring? Oh, it's just a receipt. Cool. Yeah, so these are Broken Promise booster packs right here. Yeah, well, let's get to opening one. I really don't know what to expect from this, since they're blister packs. Okay. Bam. You got Kakashi, Boyhood. Hopefully you could get that. I'm trying to build a Shikamaru deck, and hopefully some of these cards will have what I need. So, and this is my favorite card game. Can't believe it died, because it was just tied too close to the anime. Yeah, this booster pack is... There we go. Okay, got that part. See if we get the other part. There we go. So, first card. Seen Through the Distance. Raiga Kurosoki. Oda Ruby. Imaginary Monster. Special Kunai. Chiriku. Choji. BBQ House Barbecue. Oh, this is actually really good for a mental power deck, actually. And pressing. Okay. No super rares there. Let's go with the cautious side this time. Come on. Give me a super. I don't really know what the odds of getting a super on this thing are, but hopefully it's something. Yakumo Kurama. Okay, that's an okay card. Oh yes, Sazori and Setsu. Which is on a battlefield, when any of your opponent is injured, sends a block, you can select one, give them 1 damage to it. Nice. Damn. Sasuke. Hollow Sasuke, that's pretty cool. Turn count 4, state 2. Kakashi and Pakun. Choji again. Oh, this is a rare card. Read this. During your mission phase, you can be able to top 2 of your deck. Either both of them have a water symbol, you can move one of them to your chakra area. Okay, so it's good for like ambush cards. Alright, so the other set. That hollow Sasuke was pretty cool. Let's see what we get here. The toughest booster packs known to man. Power of the Meteorite, Messenger Ninja, -1, oh, whatever. Oof, Water Style, Waterfall Basin Jutsu. That's cool. Retreat, Suiko, Taseki, Naruto, Chocolate Paper, OMG. Opponent gets any battle rewards, move those cards to your hand instead. What? Oh, okay. That's alright. Alright. Let's go with Kakashi side. Alright. Sharpness of the weapon. Hana Inizuka. Space created by Genjutsu. That's cool. What's it do? Every ninja in a user's team gets the user do not have Genjutsu combat, give 1 damage to the target. Nice. Infiltration. Suiko, Shin, Hinata, Soaring Shot Sword, Lord Sagi, and Water Style, Water Dragon Jutsu. Oh man, I remember this card is actually really good. I think that was, yeah, that was Kakashi side. Let's go Naruto side now. Bam. It never ceases to amaze me how much I suck at opening these things. Oh, there we go. Okay. Chikara, Rin, Nether Infiltration, Imaginary Monster, Intrusion, Asuma, Kujaku, Soaring Shot Sword, Advisor of the Sand, and Reconfirmation of the Mission. Cool. Let's go Kakashi side. Let's see what we get. We got Last Message, Raiga. Oh, Water Style, Water Dragon Jutsu, but hollow. That's cool. Filtration, Summon Jutsu Ninja Dogs, Asuma, Choji. Okay. And Princess Haruna. Okay, that was Kakashi's side, so let's do Naruto side. Restricted Jutsu, Messenger Ninja, Recollection, Magnetic Power. Bam! Naruto Uzumaki, Tailed Beast Form. Sick. Nice. Look at it, it's right there. That's awesome. What? 6-8? Oh, he has a hand cost? What's he do? Each time your opponent wins total 2 or more battle rewards. This turn, place growth coin. Okay. Your mission phase, move any number of in play to this ninja. Wow. Move total 2 growth coins. Give. Wow. Alright, that's broken. Kiba, Nakamaru, Hinata, Soaring Shot Sword, Naruto, and confirmation of the mission. Sick. This is awesome. First add too. Alright, let's see what we get here. Hopefully another one of the super rare like this. Oh, it's first add too. This is pretty cool. Okay. So, change in chakra form. Amachi. Mental fatigue. Smell of 2. Special kunai. Kashiatake. Gantetsu. Flower shuriken. Rampage pig. Momiji. Cool. Okay, let's do Naruto side now. Alright, Power of the Meteorite. Rock Lee and Neji Hyuga Squad. Nice. Wind Slicer. Collection. Suiko. Awesome as Togi. Oh, Wind Slicer. Maru and High Speed Hand Signs. Nice. Okay, I think that was a Naruto. Yeah. Let's go with Kakashi. Let's try to get this guy. That'll be intense if we get that guy. Okay, that's one way to open it. Genjutsu, Sabiri, My Guy Afro, Tracking Mission, Detonated Clay, Kiba, Kujaku, Kiba Jutsu, the third Hokage, nice, and Beauty and Intelligence. Cool. Well, let's do another Kakashi, because it's uneven. Blister packs. There's only 15 packs in blister packs. So let's see. Okay. Bam. Bam. Chakra Slice. Kakashi Hatake. Teacher and Smell of the 2. Magnetic Power. My Hero. Yotaka. Beast Mimicry. Ziga. Oh, snap. Feared by Genjutsu. Oh, snap. That's crazy. What? This card's like $100. Every battle engine against the user. Turret can stand by ninja. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Epic. Mental Fatigue. Alright. Wow. Well, you guys just saw those odds. I think Kakashi's side is pretty strong. A Gift from a Friend. Ruiga. Striking Shadow Snake. Nice. Nice. Recollection. Suiko. Shin. Hinata. Rosagi. Trump card. Okay. So, last 3 packs left. And we got a Fear by Genjutsu and Naruto Tailed Beast form. Let's see what else we get. If you guys have any tips on opening these booster packs, please let me know. Because it's always a mission to open this shit. Okay. Another Genjutsu. Natsuhi. Mizuki. Smile of the Two. Power of the Clone. Kakashi. Oh, Tarubi. Flower. Ino. And oh, snaps. Not a childhood. Damn. Nice. Wow. Crazy pulls. That was the Naruto side, so let's finish it up. I got that Fear by Genjutsu. Favor to Ask. Rock Lee Neji Hyuga. Clear Tones carries a Sunset. Suiko, Chiriku, Shizo, Chakra Paper, Mizuki. Oh, snap. Another super rare. What? Wood Style Great Force Jutsu. Look at Yamato. Sick. Tears of Determination. Draw 3 cards. Your opponent gets 2 battle awards. Nice. Alright. Now, last pack. 3 super rares. That's kind of crazy, actually, because a box only brings like 2 for sure. Or was it 4? Actually, I think a box brings 4. Not sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. Alright. Last pack. Dun dun. Also, let me know how to open a booster pack, because there we go. Way too tough. Restricted Jutsu. Zetsu. Nice. Aw. Barbecue. House Barbecue. We can party. Part of the Clones. Kakashi. Pakun. Otarubi. Zaga. And Pressing. And that's kind of it. So, we got these 3 super rares. It's kind of crazy. Was not expecting 3. I was expecting like 1 at least. And they're all first ed. Alright, if you like this video, please let me know. Comment section down below. And yeah. Be sure to like the video.